What in the world is this doing on my machine? Why do all these pipeline welders have these machetes in their machine? That is the question of the day. Well, I can tell you what I know about the machete, but before we answer that question, I'm Austin Ross. I've been pipeline welding for about 7 years now, and I absolutely love it. My goal on this channel is to help those of you that are new to it, or wanting to get into it, or thinking about getting into it, just to help prepare you more or less, to educate you about what you're getting into. A little bit about the lifestyle, a little bit about the welding rig, about the camper, about the job itself, you know, just anything I can help with, that's what I'm here for. Education. So if you want more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe and ding the bell to get notifications whenever I post a new video every Friday. So what is the machete for? The little bit I know about the machete is it looks cool, and it was used back in the day to get old like tar pipe dope. Back in the day, the pipe dope was like black tar. That, you know, all your welds were coated in black tar. The whole pipe was coated in black tar, for all I know. I don't know, but so like whenever we dig up these old lines to work on them, that machete works real good to get that old tar off. That's what I know them for. But let's call Andy, my welding partner. Andy, for those of you who don't know, Andy was the guy I welded with on this last job. He's 74 years old, and he's been around. He knows. So let's call him and find out, see what he knows about the machete. Watching golf.
To an automatic voice message system.
All right, Andy didn't answer. Let's call my brother. My brother is 2 years older than me. He has been pipelining for twice as long as I have, give or take. Yeah, maybe not quite twice as long. Yeah, about twice as long. So he might know. Let's ask him. Let's FaceTime him. I'm not gonna let him know we're filming yet.
What are you doing, cowboy?
Huh?
So what are you doing, cowboy?
Just hanging out. What are you doing? I got a question.
Okay.
So I'm filming a video right now.
Okay.
Now I was gonna ask you what all have you heard that people use that machete for on our machines that we carry around on our machines?
Mine is bad helper behavior.
Bad helper behavior.
For knocking off the tar off of old pipelines to whether it's hot tie-ins or putting on sleeves or anything of that nature.
Yeah.
And then, what else? Shoot, just even cutting some. If you got an access road and the access is very crappy, you get
Tree
out
limbs.
to them off so you don't get a big old scratch down your truck. I have done that before.
Yeah, tree limbs. But that
Yeah.
tar is the only thing that I've heard, and that's what I mentioned, was the tar.
Well, like that job I did last year, doing relay, we cut up a bunch of 3-inch and 4-inch pipe, and you had to use it to either a hammer to knock the tar off if it's cold, or if it gets hot and gummy, then you scrape it off with it.
Yeah. I tried calling Andy, but Andy didn't answer.
Those guys it was more custom to have to use it. Us, the only time we ever use them is whenever it's.
For them to use, what do you mean? Back then they used them more often?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, like even on because talking to Bull.
Yeah.
He said whenever he first started, whenever they used to coat all the pipe in dope, and they would probably have to use it more so than now, because like whenever we're doing tines, all we do is burn off coating or anything of that nature, where back in those days when they used dope, you know, a tine, you'd either have to leave a whole joint out and not dope it.
You talking about they laid bare pipe and they coated the whole thing in tar.
Yes.
I heard that from Jerry, the guy I welded with last year.
Yeah.
He said they used to lay bare pipe and coat the whole thing with tar.
So when you think about doing tie-ins back in those days, they would have needed it more regularly. Accessory.
To make it cut.
Yes.
Gotcha.
That's my assumption. I've never dealt with it, but that's just,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah. Well, cool deal. All right.
Okay.
Well, there you have it. Rodney Ross, that's his knowledge on the machete. That's why welders carry machetes. Thank you. Y'all say bye to Rodney. Yep.
Take care.
All right, well, there you heard it from my brother. Pipe dope. So far, we've got pipe dope is what the machete's for. Just a fun little video, answer a very commonly asked question that I get all the time. And yeah, share the news. Let everybody know why we carry machetes. I will put a link in the description of essential tools needed to get started on the pipeline. The machete is not on there, by the way, but handy to have. So some companies will supply them, some won't. If you're with the union, the contractor should supply the machete. Non-union, just hit and miss, you know. You never know. You never know. Sometimes you'll get it, sometimes you won't. But anyway, that is going to be it for today's video. My piece of advice for this week is work smarter, not harder. Think about that. Let that sink in. All right. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see y'all next week. Remember, learn something every day.